Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to day 10 of 21 days to good hair. Well, on day 9 I did egg, which took care of frizzy hair and dry hair. So after that, a lot of you had requested me to do a remedy which takes care of damaged hair. Okay, now your damaged hair is also why you have split ends, why your hair is frizzy, why your hair is dry, why your hair is brittle, why you're experiencing hair breakage. Again, the same reasons: the chemicals we put, the hair coloring, bonding, straightening, the heat we use, hot water, and of course our diet. So our today's ingredient is going to take care of all of it. Today's ingredient is banana. Now banana has approximately 500 mg of potassium, and lack of potassium causes hair fall. It reduces the elasticity of our hair, and it makes our hair brittle. So what banana does is banana helps bring back the elasticity in our hair, makes it stronger, give it volume, and makes it less frizzy, works on the split ends. So anybody who's suffering from damaged hair, this recipe is for you. It's going to be an easy mask, and we'll be adding honey and olive oil to it, making it more moisturizing. Let's go. So guys, we would need one completely ripe banana, which will be peeled and mashed properly in a bowl. We'll be adding 2 spoons of olive oil, any brand would do, and 2 spoons of honey. Okay, now I like to use organic honey, but I'm running out of organic honey, so this one it is. So let's mix them together. Hey guys, I'm all ready after the hair wash. I had kept the pack for an hour and my hair feels super soft and shiny, which is like I'm event ready. I'm going for an event right now. The only concern that I had with this pack was that it was a little difficult to take it off, so make sure you rinse it really properly, and you also mash the banana properly so that there's no lump. Apart from that, it was a good day 10. I unfortunately didn't do a comb test today, but I will surely do it next time. So until then, wait for date 11. Bye guys. Don't forget to share this IGTV video with your friends and family. To see more such videos, do follow me on Instagram and turn on the story and post notification.